morning, all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell their mama and them and their partners and them, because we lady over here, and I really do appreciate it. And y'all, without further ado, in today's video I will be doing an unboxing. Y'all know I love my my MJ Marc Jacobs tote bags. Y'all know I got the pink one and the black one. Of course, Mama Rare, she liked them, and I was like, girl, you're not getting this pink one. So Mama Rare got the black one, y'all. So y'all, I was so excited I couldn't wait. So y'all remember when I told y'all I wanted the purple one, and like 2 or 3 times I was just not able to get it because it would either not shipped or didn't make it through the postal service, all that other stuff. But y'all, I finally was able to get my hands on the lilac color. Y'all, it's so pretty. And y'all, I'm at my nail table, so y'all gonna see some nail stuff. But yes, y'all, I had to get this color. I thought it was so pretty. Once again, we already know that if you go buy this in the store, that the tote bag, all of this will actually be like a darker purple embedded. But this doesn't bother me, because if y'all don't know, even Amazon sells the tote bags, but it just look like that. So y'all, it don't bother me. So it has the back part where it says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. So it looks exactly like the black and pink one I have. Hold on, yeah, I'm trying to oh. See, this is what happens when you got long nails. Stuff like this. Hold on, y'all. Like, really? Zipper is like butter. You know, the inside part has the Marc Jacobs part. That's a little, little pocket, very little. It's like only that deep. Then, the other side does not have a pocket. I don't know if y'all can see in there. The other side does not have a pocket. Y'all, it comes with its own strap, the same color, but y'all know I always get my own guitar strap. Or even if I do use this, I'll use this, use the purse extenders to make it longer. Because, I'm tall, so I like for my purses to really be hanging on my hip area. So y'all, I thought this was so cute. And then I had also purchased this to go along with it. Because it ain't nothing unless you got a little accessory dangling. But that's just me, because I'm extra. Even though that's kind of a darker purple. Y'all know I love purple. I don't care. So I thought this was cute. While we're showing accessories, y'all, because I did get this from AliExpress. I get this is supposed to be like the dupe of the Hermes. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I believe it's Hermes little bag tag, and I thought this was so cute. It's like a Trojan horse. And then, y'all, one of my late nights on Amazon looking at stuff, putting stuff in my wish list, my cart that I don't need, y'all, I came across this. And y'all, this is actually a dupe of the Hermes Kelly bag, and it's a keychain, and it actually opens. Hold on, y'all. And like, even when you close it, it actually turns and stuff like that, like locks. I thought that was so cute. So I got this off of Amazon. Y'all, excuse my hands, they ashy. Hold on, y'all. Gotta make sure it's lined up. There we go. And it actually opens. I thought this was so cute, and it has the feet on the bottom. And then it also comes with this pom-pom. And it only came in 2 colors, y'all. It came in this black and then in like a powder pink color. So I thought this was very cute. So you can kind of like connected, and then it hangs from your purse, and then this is the strap that you'll twist on your purse and stuff like that. And I just thought this was so cute to have, so I'll definitely link this down below if they still have it. So I can't link this on, AliExpress. Y'all know, unfortunately, just use your words. But this one is from Amazon, so I'll definitely link this down below. What else we got? All right, y'all, we got a message. So we got this package. So y'all, this came in the mail also. Can you guess what it is? Y'all, I seen this and thought this was so cute. Same thing, same quality. Just in the baby blue. And I'm not sure if it's come off as like, it's not, well, it is kind of like a baby blue. When I look at blues like this, it kind of reminds me of a Tiffany blue. Because this is like a sky blue. So it's not like a sky blue, but this is like a Tiffany blue. I thought this was so cute. Once again, has the logo. It does have an industrial smell, y'all, unfortunately. It does come with the straps, or the strap that you can use as a crossbody. Wait, and this one got a little tag on it. Yep. Y'all, what in the carnation? Excuse me. What in the carnation? What in the... I don't even know. But y'all, I seen this and thought it was so cute. So what we about to do is do a little Gator Fools with the pimped out Gucci suits. Hey, I don't know. Y'all know I'm always gonna bring it to a song. So yeah, y'all, we're doing a spin. Y'all know. It ain't right unless it's a giveaway going on. So y'all, we are doing a giveaway. I know usually we just do a giveaway when we reach, a milestone as far as followers, which, I love y'all. And shout out to all the new subscribers. What's up? We kicking it over here. Welcome to the family. And if you're oldie but goodie, what's happening? It was up. But yes, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway today. And y'all know every time I do a tote bag, everybody be like, where you at the tote bag? I want one. It's cute. So I'm like, I can't just keep getting me a tote bag and I get y'all a tote bag. So this is going to be in the giveaway, and I'm going to stuff it also, y'all. So don't worry, because it is a little out of shape. It got that little crease. So if little stuff like that don't bother you, if it don't bother you, then please enter. But this giveaway, you want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel, to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like the video. And if you have social media, follow me on IG, on Instagram at Rare Secrets also. Spelled the exact name my YouTube name is. If you don't have social media, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just do your thing. One thing, you do your thing, a thing. Okay, what Missy Elliott said. So you want to, once again, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like the channel, and if you have IG, follow your girl. If not, don't worry about it. So the hashtag word that we're going to do, since I said it reminds me of breakfast at Tiffany's, it's just going to be hashtag breakfast. You heard it right. It's going to be spelled exactly how it is, the breakfast that you eat. The breakfast, sausage, eggs, bacon, cheese, pancakes, waffles, that type of breakfast. So it's going to be hashtag breakfast. I'm going to try to put it up here, but if I forget to put it up here while I'm editing, it's just hashtag breakfast, like the breakfast food that you eat. And yeah, so y'all know I usually leave this open for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'll announce the winner. So may the best family member win. Once again, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like the video, Follow IG if you got IG, and you must put in the comments hashtag breakfast. And once again, look at this beauty right here. So cute. So cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all follow the directions, because I'm going to be looking. I'm making a list and checking it twice. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.